I think we have to renew the card.
Already did.
You already did it?
Yeah.
Oh. $4K. Wow. Almost what?
100 inch.
100 inches. Ang laki, oh. Malaki din yung malaki din yung price. Wonder how much the iPad.
The one we got them last time still working.
Yeah, she's still using it. She's been using it every time she goes to the clinic. She's almost done. She just have to take doctoral board exam. Just get the Muslim maid from Malaysia. Oh, this is nice. Little tiny storage. It's like little house. Oh, I'm sure everything that we have, you fill it in real fast. Everything that we have. Like every like little patio we have, you fill it in. I would like to put that in the back.
Don't have it very expensive now. 140 bucks.
It used to be like 65, 55. Mid size. Sa 200,
Still got the Wagyu beef.
$272 for this. This is a nice ribs. Oh, it is a bone in ribs. I never like Wagyu. It just, the taste is, it doesn't carry the taste of this regular ribeye. It's so fatty, a lot of fat. Lemon yun. Yeah. Yes. Tenderloin. Beef loin. Wow, that's cheap. It's only $53, guys. Yeah.
Driver choice.
Hmm?
Driver choice.
You know, now they're protecting the prices. You cannot see, they're blurring it. You can't see it. You can't see it anymore. They do something that is blurring the prices. Oh my gosh. I love apple pie. I love apple pie. Apple berry. But let me go see what's in here.
What does he say about that? What did you say that? Huh? Did you see strawberries? Yeah, that's wow. It's pretty. This one? Yeah, but that bottom cheese. I think the same.
Having a cake. This is really good. It's just way too much. Yes. This one. This is good. This is too big. Can't finish all that. Blueberry cheesecake, no. Oh, big mix, no. No chocolate. Bagel would be good. Bagel. It's nice to have like onion bagel. But they don't have the onion bagel. Oh, that's what that I smell. The garlic bread. Binibinta nila dito guys, red tilapia. Ano, alam niyo ba na mas masarap pa yung itim na tilapia kaysa pula? Yeah. Look at this one, does it look good?
Why? Because it's red.
No, it's turning red and is freezer burn. Pag ganyan na yung kulay ng shell ng shrimp, nasunog na yan sa freezer. This one's cheaper than that one. Oh, of course. Every time nandito ako, talagang nagpipick up ako ng rotisserie chicken. Bakit? Kasi mura. Ayan ang presyo guys, oh. Ayan, $4.99. Napakalaking chicken ito. It's a big chicken. Talagang napakalaki. Matutuwa na naman yung aking stray cat. Wonder if they have like a smaller, like healthy looking shrimp. Let me just check. Because I'm run out of shrimp. Tingnan nyo, kung bibili kayo,
Chicken.
for cheap too, look. It's only like $8 for two. Huh, 99 cents a pound. Ay. Oh, here. Only one. It's only $21.99. Alam niya, makuripot si MC. Kuripot. Oh, wait. Make sure that they are not the bad kind. This one is black. Ayoko yung masyadong maitim ang ulo kasi makasira, no? No, I like to suck the head. I think this one's fine. Yeah, the one that is I don't want any hint of reddish color. That's freezer burn. I think the one I picked up is good. I think this is fine. Okay. Dito ang daming masasarap na mga sausages. All kinds. May chicken apple, something, mild Italian sausage, iba-ibang klase. Merong brats. Masarap ang brats guys kasi mataba. Marami siyang fat, no? Sarap ito ay. Makano to? Ala brats. So, iba-ibang klaseng sausage. Last time na umuwi ako ng Pinas, ang dami kong bit-bit na different sausage. Pero yung luto, ha? Hindi yung hindi ganito yung kailangan mo pang lutuin. Yung ganitong yung luto na. Oh. Brisket. Yum. Smoked brisket. Lamb shank. Oh my goodness. 869. Oh. Itong lamb shank na to. Lamb shank with a rich brown sauce infused with lavender, honey garlic. Ooh. I want this. It's only 869. You don't have to cook it, do you? Fully cooked. Good. I love lamb. Brisket though, I really want to try the brisket. I've heard it's good. Let's try the brisket. Namamaos ako katatawa kasi kami ni Phil dyan. Nagtatawanan. Ang dami naming mga kalukuhan sa messenger na sarili namin pinagtatawanan. Sarili namin pinagtatawanan namin sa totoo lang. Oh, grabe. Talaga pag nakilala mo yan si Phil dyan, talagang nakakaloka, mapapaliw ka. Yung pinag-usapan namin yung time difference. Halos 30 minutes yata kami nag-uusap. Hanggang sa huli, parang hindi pa kami nagkakasundo sa time difference niya doon sa Pinas at Middle East. Tapos, Middle East and the West, dito sa USA, hindi pa kami nagkakaintindihan. Sabi ko, tama na, sabi ko baka maluki pa ako sa iyo. Kaya pareho naman kami nag-agreehan kasi hindi nga talaga kami kakasundo, hindi kami nagkakaunawaan. Ay, ginawa ko to si Vilja, nakakaloka. Andito tayo sa napakalamig na refrigerator. Spargus. Yum. Yung mga blueberry nila dito. Grabe, ang daming green onions, oh. Murang-mura lang. Wala naman tayong restaurant para bumili. Marami naman akong tinananim. Marami akong tanim sa likod. May pineapple, honeydew, that one. Let me try bits. The one I picked was crunchy from Publix. It's crunchy. Okay. Ooh, it's so cold. Namaos talaga ako. Kasalanan ni Phil yan ang lahat ng ito kung bakit naubusan ako ng boses kakahalakak mag-isa.
That's why they have napkins. Oh, no.
I don't need anything from him.
I can smell the vinegar.
I was looking for the soup, you know. Chicken salad. This is not soup. Hummus. cherries. Right here. I need to have two of this. This is so good. It's like ice candy. It's like ice candy. This is so good. And if you buy them fresh, they're very expensive. But I would rather have this because when you throw it, it's like having ice candy. It really is so good. Somebody got me hooked on this one right here. He hooked me. I didn't eat it at first, and then when I tried it, like, dang. That's it. You've been feeding Darius lately? Because I just changed the water yesterday and now it's like dark. Don't do that. Yeah, I was looking for the soup. That soup they have was good.
It's probably all sold out.
Yeah. It was like chicken. Oh look, they have sushi now. You make better sushi. Not as fresh the one in Oriental. Tell you what, it's cheaper though. I can make it, it's just that it's tedious. Making it is so tedious. The long one is watery, the round one is sweeter. Peach. $8.99. Yan guys, so peach. Oh, white peach. Ito puti. Tawag dito puti. White peach. Tapos may plum sila. Ito mga plum. Nakagaling ito ng China. Honey plum. Ibang kulay ng honey plum. Tapos itong pears. Wala. Sawa ko mahilig sa apple. Hanap talaga ako ng sabaw. Spinach. Masarap ang spinach sa artichoke. 5 roasted veggies. 2 packs. Ito masarap sa tinapay, guys, no? Itong prosciutto. Prosciutto. Ito parang ham siya na manipis ang pagkaano. Para siyang ham. Prosciutto, masarap siya. Ito, may combination siya ng salami. Iba-ibang cheese. Salami. Beef sticks. Ito, beef sticks. Man siya. Ano to? Duck. Roast. Apa? Roast. Half duck. Wala ka. Nakakita tayo ng roast duck. Oh my goodness. Roast duck. Pero hindi siya masyadong roasted eh. Hindi siya kagaya sa maliit siya. Smaller size. No, gusto ko yung may sauce. Wow. Roast duck. Let me see. This is not a Chinese roast duck. You're supposed to still have to cook it. Nawala yung asawa ko, guys. Tilayasan tayo. Sarap naman ng pineapple.
Pink one.
These are the pink one? The pink one is from our neighbor. He gave it to us. The pink one.
You didn't plant it.
You didn't think so? Hmm. $2.19 in the Philippines. How much is this? Over 100 pesos.
Cheapest I've seen.
$10. How many? 6 pieces? Guys, tingnan nyo guys. Ang mangustin dito, ilan lang? Ang liliit, oh. 2, 4, 6, 18 lang. 500 pesos sa Pilipinas. 10 maliliit na piraso. Tapos yung mangga nila, 500 pesos din. 2, 4, 6. 6 lang siya. 2, 4, 6. Oh, 500 pesos sa Pilipinas. Imagine. I think this one is the, oh, that's not the honeydew. I like honeydew.
You got yellow watermelon.
Oh, the yellow one is good. The yellow one is good. Is this yellow? Yes, buy the one. Buy 3 of this. The yellow is sweeter and it's good. That's what I eat in the Philippines. There's bigger one down there. Okay, lift this up. Dilaw na watermelon. First time na ako nakakita ng dilaw na watermelon dito sa USA. I told myself, if only I can find yellow watermelon in USA. I've been here for like over 2 years. Wow. Imported from where? Philippines? This is Mexico, but yeah. Tignan nyo, 4 binili ko. Gusto ko ng dilaw. Maganda tong sweater na to. Oh. Makapal siya. Bumili tayo ng sweater. Taglamig na kasi. Hala ka, nasan yung asawa ko? Oh. Iniwanan niyo yung ano. Sweater.
The coffee would be perfect. But because I wanted to drink it after my workout, and I was getting better.
No. I just needed a little pork and shrimp. Of course, the cherries and watermelon and the chicken.
Actually, don't have the morning. I'm back on Friday.
Ito naman ang daming peanuts. Oh! No, I'll buy it next time. I wanna bring some chocolate to the Philippines next time. Itong ganito. Oh. Yeah. We'll come back. Still have 2 months.